and I have a Ford Expedition XLT. So I've been having this problem that every time I try to start the car, it doesn't crank. So I was thinking maybe it must have been the battery, so I took it to AutoZone and I tested it there. It was good, so I decided just to put the battery back. So I came and tested it, and all the batteries turn and all the lights turn on, so I said the battery is working well. So I said, all right, cool. I mean, I do have power, as you could tell, the lights turn on. Every time I try to crank the car, all I get is a click, and I get no crank, as you're gonna hear right now. I get no crank, and so that's all I get. It's just a click, and I'm thinking, okay, so it might be maybe the alternator or starter, or maybe it might be the fuse boxes. These relays right here, as you can see, I have relays right here. These are all relays. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So I have 6 relays. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take them out and I'm gonna test them. I know I also decided to take this one out. It has to do with, you know, with your car not starting. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna take it out. And where I took it out from is right here, where you can see the connections. So I took it out. There's one here, there's this one. Okay, now that I got them numbered, I'm just gonna take them out. One of these out if they're bad for a brand new one. Relays, and they all seem to be working fine. The way I tested it was a portable jumper, and I ended up using a multimeter. I had it set it up already to my ohms, so this is how it looks like. And just for, I guess, video purposes, I'll just show you how I did it, and just how I tested all these already. They all work, and I found out that this is the problem. But anyways, just so you guys can see that I actually tested and it worked. All I had to do is just put the red to this right here, which is my 85. So I put it to my 85, and now that I have that connected to my positive terminal, now I have to connect it to 86, which is right here. This is how I know my 86. This is 86. So I connect that. And how do I know if it works? There's a clicking that's being made. My terminal to my connection from my multimeter, it's going to be my positive. It's going to be connected here.
Oh, okay.
And then I'm gonna connect my negative, which is right here on the other side. And once my multimeter makes a sound, which you guys gonna hear, it's gonna work. That means that my relay works. And ready? 1, 2, 3. The screen of the multimeter.
Where is that?
That means that my relays all work, and that's how I know my multimeters work. Now I'm gonna put them on my car back again. All these back again. The only one that did not work was this one.
The center one is burned.
Because the center one is burned or is melted. I don't know if you guys can see it.
It's swelled up in the center.
So I gotta get this one changed, and this one, I don't know if you guys can see it.
Yeah, you can see it. It's swelled up in the center.
So this is gonna be my PCM relay, and I gotta change it. And once I change it, hopefully I fix the problem and I get to turn on the car. Connected the positive terminals from my battery. Like that. Okay. 6. 6. Make sure. Okay. Now, I ended up going to the local store just so I could get this part. I gave him the part number for my for this one. Mine was white, but now I replaced it with the new one. Okay. For discoloration. All right. Okay, make sure they're connected right. Okay. 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 Oh. Okay. All right. Hopefully the car turns on. Connect the battery. The car, hopefully it starts. If it doesn't, man, dude. All right, so
the firm also plans to cut pay for.
Here we go. Oh my gosh, it worked. So like I said, oh wow, I fixed it. All right. So it only ended up costing me, I think, $13. I ended up going to the local store, the local auto part. So I just fixed it. And if you guys have any problems with your car, such as like trying to crank it, but there's no crank, it just clicks. I think this video might be super helpful for you guys. Don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe. Okay, comment also. Thank you so much, and okay, bye.